In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create revenue reports in HubSpot. If you're looking to understand how money flows through your pipeline and which deals are driving results, this walkthrough will show you the simplest paths to a clean, insightful report, whether you prefer ready-made templates or an AI-assisted build. Start by heading to the reporting area from the left pane and selecting Reports. That's your central hub for analyzing what's happening in your sales and revenue data. Think of it as the place where all your analytics options live. If you're managing multiple teams or pipelines, this is especially helpful because everything you need is organized in one place, and it's easy to come back to your favorite views later. Next, click Create Report at the top right. This opens your options for building something new. You'll see choices designed to get you from idea to insight quickly, without needing to piece together fields from scratch unless you want to. From here, choose Template Report Library to browse a collection of revenue-focused templates. These are curated starting points that already know which metrics usually matter for revenue analysis. You'll find options that commonly cover totals by month, deal stage progression, forecasted versus closed revenue, and more. Templates save you time by pre-configuring standard calculations and visualizations, so you can immediately see the story in your data. They're great if you want best practice layouts with minimal setup and a consistent look across your organization. If you want something tailored to a particular question, choose AI-generated report. This option lets you describe what you want using natural language prompts, and it will draft a report for you. Be as specific as you can in your prompt. Mention the time frame you care about, the pipeline or team if applicable, the currency if relevant, and how you'd like the data grouped or compared. Clear prompts help the system return the layout and metrics that match your intent. It can propose the right fields, chart types, and calculations, so you get a strong first version without manual assembly. And there you go. That's the full path to creating revenue reports in HubSpot, either by selecting a proven template or by using AI to craft a custom view. As you work, keep your goals in mind. Whether it's tracking monthly recurring revenue, comparing forecasts to actuals, or spotlighting top-performing segments. Choosing the right starting point makes it faster to get from data to decisions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your numbers into insights.